Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's Excel tutorial, we'll be exploring how to create two buttons in Excel using VBA Code, one for printing and the other for previewing your worksheet. The advantage of using VBA Code is that it gives you more control and flexibility over the actions performed by the buttons. So let's dive in. Open a new Excel workbook and navigate to the worksheet where you want to add the buttons. We'll be placing the buttons at the top of the worksheet for easy access. To add the buttons using VBA Code, we need to access the Visual Basic for Application Editor by pressing Alt and F11, or just click on Developer here, then Visual Basic. So here, go to Insert and create new module. So in the code module, we write the code for print button first. Here is an example of the code you can use. Go to Insert again, Module, the second code for preview, then Ctrl V, go back to the worksheet, so on the Developer tab, click on Insert button in the Control group from the drop-down menu and select the button option under Form Controls. With the cursor turned into a crosshair, click and drag to create the print button and the preview button on your worksheet. Here you can name it if you'd like. Then select Print Worksheet. Then OK. Go to Developer again, Insert, Button. Now select Preview Worksheet. Then OK. Review and finalize your buttons. You can resize and reposition the buttons as desired. Customize the appearance by right-clicking on a button, choosing Edit Text, and entering a more descriptive label like Print or Preview. That is the result. You can resize it as you like. So now click on Print. As you can see, we'll print a document, but I don't have any printer connected to my laptop. To preview, click on the button preview. Here is the result, and you can go to page setup, then margin, horizontal, vertical, then you can click on print. And there you have it. By using VBA Code, you can create two buttons in Excel, one for printing and the other for previewing your worksheet. VBA Code gives you more control over the actions performed by the buttons, allowing you to customize and enhance their functionality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Excel tutorials and tips. See you next time.